Hi guys, I'm Nidhi and welcome back to my channel Damn Glam. So first of all, I'm really sorry for not posting anything on YouTube and keep on delaying it. I have some other thing going on. But I have been compensating it to Instagram. I have been like quite constantly posting better than YouTube. I was posting content related to makeup, fashion and all stuff. So if you haven't been following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. Go follow. Anyways, if you want to follow, you can follow. If you don't want to follow, it's your choice, bitches. Anyways, moving on to today's video, I'll be talking about holy grail makeup products that you must own as a beginner. But before we move on to the main content, I just want to put a little disclaimer out there that I'm not a professional makeup artist by any means. These are just my tips and tricks on how I'd like to do my makeup or what products I like to use doing my makeup or stuff like that. So yes, without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So first thing I want to talk about is this concealer from Maybelline Aged Refine one. I know it's a very old product in the makeup industry, like it's been so long, but I'm introducing to you right now. This concealer is like, oh my god, like holy grail concealer every girl should own in their makeup vanity or stash or whatever you can call it. I've started using this concealer recently, like very recently, and it's the perfect combination of ingredients or concoction of ingredients or whatever. The formulation is so holy great. It's not way too oily or pasty. It's not way too drying on your skin. It's the perfect concealer that any girl should own. It's really beginner friendly because when you start using makeup, you don't have a lot of idea about how to blend and all stuff. It blends really easily, like anyone can blend. I can blend it with my left hand too. I don't even need a beauty blender to blend this product. I hope it makes sense. Now next thing I want to talk about is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I know you guys must be wondering, like, you use it in each and every makeup tutorial of yours and all stuff, but it's the perfect foundation, suits for all skin type. I swear when I say all skin type, it is for all skin type. Matte, dry, combination, oily, all skin type. It suits all skin type. It says matte, I don't know, but it's not matte. Like, I don't feel like it's matte. It has got that demi matte formulation. I don't know if I'm making sense, but recently I've heard that Maybelline has stopped selling a Fit Me range because they have come up with some new range that is called Superstay range, and it is awesome. So if you're someone who doesn't get their Fit Me range, you can definitely buy a Superstay foundation. This one is nice too, but this is completely matte. That one says matte, but it is not matte. But this is completely matte, and this is the better foundation than Fit Me one. But at the end of the day, it is your choice, like what you want to buy. Superstay completely matte, full coverage, or demi matte finish, or it has medium coverage, I would say. So yeah. Now coming up to the third item of our list. No, it is not Maybelline product this time. This one is a coloressence compact powder in the shade CP2. Now there are so many compact powders in the makeup industry or makeup market out there, but I would definitely recommend you to use coloressence compact powder because one, it is the most affordable compact powder I have seen in the beauty market or whatever you can call. Two, it has got all skin shade, like you'll get your perfect you'll get your perfect skin shade. And three, it doesn't leave a white cast on your face, which I have seen so many compact powder does on your face. Now next product I want to talk about is this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in number 06. Now there was a time when this product was so hyped by almost every beauty bloggers I have seen. Like, I really wanted to get my hands on this product and finally I got one. Like, I recently got this. Now this eyeshadow palette right here is a kind of dupe of if you can say NYX Ultimate something neutrals palette or something. It has got 9 beautiful shades for just 385 rupees. What else do you want? All in all, I'll definitely recommend you to buy this product because one, this is really very affordable and you get 9 shades for just 385 rupees. It is a steal deal. Go grab your palette right now. Now next product I want to talk about is also an eyeshadow palette. It is from Makeup Revolution London Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette and you get 15 freaking shades for like 700 or something rupees, and the shade range is to die for. You get all the nudes, pinks, orange and shimmer shades. So if you're someone who is searching for a really nice eyeshadow palette with blush colors and contour colors, I'll definitely recommend you to buy this palette. It's a steal deal, I'll tell you. Now next thing I want to talk about is this Savannah mascara. I know mascara, whatever you can call it. Like in India it's called mascara, but it is actually called mascara. Now I know you all must be wondering like, why didn't you say Maybelline? Every beauty blogger is talking about Maybelline only out there in the beauty industry and whatever, and you're showing us Savannah, like not a Maybelline product. I would have recommend you to buy Maybelline. That one is good too, but I really want to show you guys this beauty right here. If you're someone who don't get their hands on Maybelline or confused between so many range of Maybelline that which one to buy or which one to not to buy, you can definitely switch to Savannah colors. Now why I recommend y'all to buy this product, because one, it is really waterproof. You can literally cry wearing this mascara and it is not going to budge at all. Two, it gives that perfect lift to your lashes which every girl wants when she is wearing on a regular basis. Like not too gaga lift or not too like it is not giving me lift, it is useless or something like that. It is going to give you lift if you apply this mascara properly. So coming up to the last two products, both are from Maybelline. I know you guys must be thinking like, bitch, the title of this video by now should be Maybelline affordable products or whatever. Anyways, next product I want to talk about is Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter Mahalabding in the shade where is the shade? Molten Rose Gold or Rose Fondue to be precise. Now why I recommend you to have this in your vanity, makeup vanity or stash or whatever you can say, because depending upon your mood you can play with your with the intensity of this product. If you put this highlighter lightly on your face, it is going to give you that subtle glow. If you're going to layer it up, it is going to give that blingy glow you need. Anyways, moving on to the next product or the star of this video, Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. Now if I'm making a video related to products you must own in your makeup vanity, stash or whatever, and if I'm not including this product right here, I'm not playing a fair game. Anyways, coming up to why I recommend y'all to buy this product. One, the formulation, I don't know what they have made or put, what are their ingredients in this formulation. It's the bomb formulation ever for the liquid lipstick, I would say. Two, it doesn't budge at all. Even if you brush putting this lipstick on your lips, it is not going to budge. Three, it is transfer proof. Obviously it is going to transfer a little bit, but once you set it with a compact powder or so, it is not going to budge at all. Four, the lipstick is so opaque It is so opaque that I don't even need to line my lips or put a lip liner underneath to cover up my uneven lips. I can literally slap this lipstick on my lips and it is not going to show any unevenness on my lips. Anyways guys, that was it for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and specifically found this video helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to like this video, share this with other girls out there who are really confused as a beginner, like what to buy or what not to buy. Share this video with them. It is going to be helpful for them, I swear. And if you're a guy watching my video, then do not forget to share this video to other girls out there in your friend list, your mother, your sister, your in-laws, your wifey, your fiance or Beyonce or whatever. Share it with them. Share it.